Hey gang, welcome back to another video at Joe Daddy's Garage. No, this isn't a Mustang video, but I have some other information that I want to share with you that I think is pretty exciting. I've got something in this box that I want to show you that's hopefully going to help improve my videos and also make them a little more interesting, and I'm going to open this up in just a minute. I also have this box. Now this box contained, or did contain, an LED area light. If you've seen some of my previous videos, you may have noticed, and it's not very often, but if I'm shooting a video late at night, I have an outside light to my shop, and it was an old mercury vapor light, and that thing would buzz and make noise, and it became very irritating. So I replaced it with this LED light that I got from Amazon, $27.95, dead quiet, easy install. It mounted basically the exact same way as the light that I had, and it's fantastic. It's lighting up the area outside great. And if you want to see that video, it's on my other channel, Joe Daddy's Workshop. So go check it out and see if you like it. You might not, but anyway, I like this LED. But I'm not here to talk about that so much, even though I just did. I want to talk about what's in this box. I've been doing some research on different cameras, and I've got a link on Amazon for cameras that I use and different equipment. And I know there are people out there that are making YouTube videos, and they highlight the different types of equipment they use and cameras and stuff like that. And so I ordered this camera again off of Amazon. It is a DJI Osmo Pocket. It arrived today. And I'm going to open this up, but I want to tell you something. The primary reason that I ordered this camera is because it has a gimbal, and it has some great function to it. I've read some good reviews on it. I have looked at videos and pros and cons and that sort of thing, and I think it's going to suit my needs. And the whole reason, in this case, for doing this is because the last video that I posted, which was Andrew's '69 Mustang, that was a good video. I'm glad people liked it and watched it. But the challenge was trying to film with that, because my standard camera, which I'm filming with right now, is a Sony 880 or something. I don't remember the number on it, but it's a little handheld digital camera. And sometimes it's hard to get into certain places and get shots that you want to show, and so it just makes it a little more difficult. But with this camera, and again, I haven't opened this up obviously, I want to do different things. And I have an upcoming video, and I'm kind of, I guess I'll do a little teaser right here, right now. This video I'm going to make next week is going to be about some really cool cars. I'm not going to say what it's about. I'm just going to tell you next week I'm doing a video, or I'm going to go film the video. And it's about some really cool cars. And if you've been on my Joe Daddy's Garage Facebook page, that may give you some idea what I'm talking about. But I'm not going to mention it. You'll see when that video comes out. But this camera is going to be used to help that filming. So this kit, as I pull these pieces out, I'll show you more in detail. But this kit I ordered comes with a little tripod deal, a little base mount that you can hook to like a GoPro style mount, a little base that will hold the camera upright. This is a adapter to attach your phone to the camera so that you can see what's going on. It comes with its own little SanDisk memory card, a little screen wiper, a little case, which I may not use this because I can't put much in it, but it came with the kit, and the Osmo. Now, I may be a little bit behind the curve on the whole gimbal camera, the Osmo. I've looked at a variety of things over the last several months, and there's ways you can get the same kind of effect with carrying like a big gimbal, attaching your phone, or attaching another camera. But I kind of wanted to get away from that. I wanted something that was small, handheld. And so that's what this is. I'm going to open this up, but I'm going to move the camera so you can see, and we'll have a look at it. Alright, so as I was saying, it comes with this little tripod deal, which hopefully can do some cool things for me. Looks like it's got a lot of adjustment to it, possibly. Can tilt it, you know, basic little tripod. It's got some angle features to it, and little adjustment knob on the side. So pretty simple. I don't know what the significance is. Oh, wait a minute. Now I do. The legs bend. I didn't realize that. That's cool. See that? Okay. Well, that's a plus. I didn't realize it would do that. Now I know. Set that aside. This is basically the GoPro type of attachment, and this fits the bottom of the camera. You can see it's got the little GoPro style mount and the lug that you attach it to, so I can set that aside. This is just a little upright base type of thing where you can stand the camera up so that it doesn't fall over, you know, just kind of a simple little base attachment. We know what these are. This little camera lens wiper. You know what a SD card is. And then I've got, with the kit, this camera mount. And the idea is that you can put this together. You can attach your phone. You know, it's got the standard kind of a spring width adjustment. You can attach it to the main assembly here, and this just slips around the Osmo. But by doing that, and I'll show you why that's important, it helps you hold your phone and your Osmo together, because you can connect your phone to the Osmo. And from what I've read, it prefers, or they have built this thing basically to function with an iPhone. I've heard some complaints about its usage with an Android phone, but I don't have an Android, so I don't have to worry about it. This is a little carry case, and again, I may use this, but you can just see how small that is, and I knew it was going to be small because the camera's small. So it comes a little D-ring and a strap. Really can't fit much in there, but it may make it convenient. This is what I want to open up. This is what I'm here for. So let me see if there's any kind of loose. No. So get that open. And again, this is a tiny little camera as far as cameras go and functionality. Empty box, some packing foam. That's the camera. This is probably, I'm guessing, the charging cable. Yep. So there's a little charging cable, USB setup. Oh, it does have a little strap. Maybe there's a way to attach this to the camera itself. Some silica, packaging, and look, a tiny set of instructions. Hope I can read that. A couple little instructional books there. I'll have to look at that later. Oh, there's the, these are the adapters, and I'll show you those. These are for attaching your iPhone to the Osmo. See those little contacts in there? This is for the Android style phone. I don't know what it fits. I'm not worried about that. But this is what I need for my phone. So I'm going to open this up. Yeah, that is a tiny little camera. Got a little catch on the side here. Open that up. Looks like there's no pivoting or anything on that. It just kind of flops back over on itself. Look how small that is. I can fit that whole main structure inside my hand. That's tiny. Now, you can see it's got a screen protector on the lens. It has a screen protector on the viewing screen on the back. Looks like it's got a safety lockout or safety piece of foam here to keep the gimbal from having conflict while it's being shipped. But look at that. That's so cool. Now, I have not used or, looked into how to turn this on, but I'm assuming the big red dot here is the on-off. So if I hit that, it might come on, it might not. I don't know. Haven't gotten that far. And it probably has a minimal charge in it, if any. Yeah, it's not going to do anything. But that's the Osmo. Now, what I wanted to show you is it's got this little slide over cover right here that comes off with your finger. Nothing to it. And then, and this is a big concern that people always have been posting about, that they can misplace these little adapters. But that little adapter slides in that channel. You can hear it click. And then from there, and I'll see if I have enough room. I don't know if I have to remove my case or not. Let's hope I don't. Yep, I'm probably going to have to remove my case to use this, which is unfortunate. However, that's the advantage of having the phone connector that I got with the kit. So let me get this case off. And yeah, my phone has one of those hard screens on it, and it's all cracked up, but the lens, the main screen is not, and I really don't care. So let me see if this will connect. It does. Now, again, some people have said they are a little concerned with having this attached because it's just, that's it. The only connection is that right there. And I can understand that. And that is why, as I said, I bought this adapter kit so that you can put the two together. And it looks pretty simple. Let me see how that works. Okay, so that's got the loop on it where you can put a tether through it. So if I wanted to have this out here, and looks like midsection, oh sorry, maybe there's 3 holes there, so maybe I can go to the middle, and that gives me some distance that centers up the weight of the phone, let's say. So I'm going to put that on. That kind of threads hard into the, there it goes, okay. And I just noticed that this base, or this phone extension has an extra 1/4 inch hole where you can mount it to something. Now, I don't know how well that's going to work overall, but let me see if I can connect the Osmo and the phone. Yeah, you got to line that up. Yeah, that's a lot better. Now what I can do is at least give me something I can hang on to. And probably if I turn this over and put that 1/4 inch plug on the bottom instead of the top, I could mount a handle to it and use it that way. Point being, I now have something that I can do some motion type stuff with, and I hope that I can get some better video out of this. I do have some other attachments coming. They were shipped yesterday, so they're supposed to be here tomorrow, I think. But I'm probably not going to do a video on that. And this is where I'm at right now. So I'm pretty excited. I need to get this charged up and figure out how to use it. So that'll be it for this video. I'm really excited about the potential for this camera, and again for the video that's going to be coming. I think it's going to be really exciting to make this happen, and I'm looking forward to it. I'll be flying out of state to make this video, and again, if you saw my post on my Joe Daddy's Garage Facebook page, you kind of may have an idea of what I'm talking about. I will suggest, if you're interested, go to my other channel, Joe Daddy's Workshop, and check out some of the videos on there. I've recently made a video on cleaning and lining a gas tank on a motorcycle, and that video turned out great. And there's a variety of things on there. And as I've said, I'm trying to keep this channel focused on automotive stuff. And I know this is a camera video, but it is also information for any potential YouTubers out there. And I want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for helping this channel grow. I've got over 28,000 subscribers. The last couple of videos have done very well, and I'm really excited about that because there's a lot of information in those videos and people seem to like them. And it can't happen without subscribers like you and viewers like you. So I give you a thumbs up, and I ask for the same in return. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Make sure you share the video. Leave a comment down below. I would appreciate that. And other than that, take care of yourselves. We'll see you.